Testing out the new Rode mic that I bought. It's a wireless mic, and we are about to go get some Jeremiah's. So the birthday girl has decided to not get ice cream, but we're going to go get a slushie from Taco Bell. But you guys get a little POV action of the Tesla with my better camera, and I'm testing out my wireless Rode mic. Hopefully the settings are good on it and it sounds good. But I just really like the attention to detail on the Tesla. Really nice. I'm gonna get an exterior shot as well. I need to cop a wider lens, but I got the 16mm right now. You're making it hotter?
A little warmer for me.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that's really bright lights. I can't even zoom in with this camera. It's just such good quality. Oh, I can go left. Oh, and it turned green. Perfect. Let me know if you guys like this POV better. Honey, you made the AC hot for both of them.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm getting hot now. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Babe, look at the line for Taco Bell on a Saturday night.
I can go in for the slushie.
No.
Yes, I want the slushie.
Okay.
Or should I get a Burger King one?
Burger King open? No. I'm gonna go Taco Bell.
Then just wait.
Let me go get some shots of this car real quick, okay?
Just park here and I'll run and get my slushie.
Okay. I'll just park you go inside? Yeah, you don't need to wait in this.
No, this is
Look at this line, guys. What the hell? It's crazy. America runs on Taco Bell, not Dunkin'. Wait, watch this. Oh, that guy's coming out. I was just gonna zoom like crazy. All right, you run in and get it. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get some exterior shots of the Tesla for the bats.
Gosh, you're all longer.
What the? Oh God. All right, I'm gonna just wait. I think. It did get longer.
I won't open?
No, I'm gonna park backwards.
Oh.
Why is the light so low? I don't think it's wrong with my settings where I dimmed it.
You dimmed
Yo,
it.
I am toe-matering this car right now. All right, look at that. Look at that skill. Y'all gotta drop a like for these skills right here. Look at that. Just perfectly in.
Oh my gosh, what if
Just
it's not
perfect.
gonna
Is that why you think the drive-thru is?
open? I'm gonna check the door anyways.
Go ahead, check it. You guys have to touch the brake in order to park. Let's see if it's open. Hopefully my mic is working. It'd be really awkward if my mic doesn't work. That'd be really awkward, but. Open. It's locked. Why is she going around the other side? What? It's locked. That's why everyone's in the drive-thru. Oh, it's not locked. They just locked that door. And there's a will, there's a way for a Mexican girl, I'll tell you that much. All right, let me show you guys the exterior of the Tesla. So, it's black on black with black rims. I think these are the stock rims, yeah. These are the stock rims. And then they redesigned the taillights for sure. They redesigned the taillights, and then they redesigned the front. What happened? Only drive-through? I figured. You guys hear the engine on that? Honey, I told you it was only drive-through. Want to go to the gas station? But yeah, we can go to the gas station, Slushy, right? The what?
The line's getting smaller.
All right, guys. Well, you heard the birthday girl. Well, that's the DoorDash right there.
Yeah, I know.
DoorDash, delivering food to a door near you. You really want to wait here for a slushie?
Yes, we have nothing else to do.
Wait, what?
Yes, we have nothing else to do.
Oh, okay. You have nothing better to do. Isn't your birthday on Tuesday?
Yep.
So they give free tacos on any purchase every Tuesday. So maybe it's time we get a taco. Let me see your slippers. You gonna get another one for your birthday?
Today.
True. So why are we here? Oh, why can't we just go to 7-Eleven and get a slushie?
No.
Why?
I want the Mountain Dew Baja Blast Freeze.
That's so bad for you. It's like syrup in your body.
So?
What do you mean so?
It's my birthday weekend.
The birthday excuse. It always works. All right. Maybe I can figure out why my lights keep dimming.
Look, you did it yourself.
I dimmed it myself?
Yes.
How? That's the... I'm talking about the ambient lighting, the colors.
Then just leave it there, babe.
No, I want to know how to use the Tesla.
Oh, gosh.
Controls. Profile. I don't know. There's got to be a way to search the Tesla. It's been a lot of minutes, and we are still behind this one Ford Explorer Limited Edition. Oh, I'm sorry. Ford Expedition Limited. A very large SUV. Not ideal for the fuel economy right now, but hey, it looks like it's lasting for a long time. That's an older model. So, you gotta love how high quality this camera is, though. It's not 4K, but I don't know how to make it 4K.
Get a large.
We finally made it. A large is not even a large here, but okay. What do you guys get at Taco Bell? Can I get a large Baja Blast Freeze?
Yeah, what else?
That's it.
Alright, come on.
He sounds really tired. Sounds like he does not want to be dealing with this on a Saturday night. Yeah, a large in Taco Bell is not even a large anymore. You guys have to pay $5 for a large freeze, and it's literally the size of my foot, which is not big enough. Yeah, I showed you guys this in the Model X video, but this is a large from Taco Bell. I will continue to call out Taco Bell until they change it, which they probably won't, based off my videos at least. But even when I get bigger on YouTube, I'm gonna post how small the larges are. I was gonna stop at the gas station, but I realized that I'm in an all-electric battery. It's so quiet. Thumbnail. Whoa, is it kind of blurry? We got a thumbnail going on with the Tesla at a 7-Eleven. No, I'm not confused, but it looks nice. I can't lie. It does look good. I like it. At a 7-Eleven. And the sad thing is, if I had an emergency where I had to get gas, there is no option. Maybe they should make an option where you can have electric and gas. You heard it here first. Gas stations with pumps that have electric and gas options. If that ever comes out, they stole my idea. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a thumbnail real quick, and I'll catch you guys inside the car. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you're new, subscribe for more and turn on your post notifications. Oh, that was loud. But, alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one. I wanted to throw this clip in, so I got a little setup for streaming. If you guys are interested in that, I got a little idea. I do have a Twitch, and I'll let you guys know my Twitch if you guys comment below. If you want to see me do some streaming, and streaming like cars and specking out cars, things like that. Maybe calling dealerships and stuff. And see if we can get good deals and stuff. But if you guys want to see me stream, just comment below and I will give you guys a link. And actually, I'll make some videos off my computer for the channel too, if that's something you guys want to look into as well. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.